Are you looking for a way to earn some side income that requires no experience, where you can work from home in your pajamas and just work on a computer or even from your smartphone? So in this video, I'm going to share with you 10 Fiverr gigs that you can go ahead and get started with today with no experience. So that means anybody can do this, and I'll also let you know of any tools or resources that you can use that can help you to get more people interested in your listing on Fiverr, so that way you can start generating more sales. Now, if you like content about making money online or working from home or even affiliate marketing and e-commerce, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you can get alerted when I do another video upload. Also, comment below. Let me know in the comment section, do you already work from home or do you have a full-time job? Let me know in the comment section below, guys. So let's go ahead and let's dive into this content. So the first one is to help businesses generate a business name. Sometimes thinking of a name to come up with that is original, that hasn't already been taken on platforms like Shopify, sometimes becomes a headache. So what people are looking for are ways to actually find a business name that actually relates to the actual store that they're creating and the products that they're selling. So what you can do is you can create a listing on Fiverr where you are helping businesses and business owners to create a business name. And there are tools you can use like the Shopify business name generator. You can come over to this website and you can insert a few keywords that will be related to your store. Now you can insert a few keywords that will help describe your store. And when you click on the generate names, it'll give you a slew of different ideas that you can come up with. So you can mix and match some of these, put them together, whatever it is. You can do this and offer this as a service onto Fiverr. Now, if we go onto Fiverr, you can see people who are actually doing this. This person right here, she's charging $30 and up, and she's providing people with 10 catchy business names that they can use, or brand names. And then also you see over here, some people are starting at $10. This one is starting off at $25. And as I'm going through the list on this video, what you want to do is, if you find something that interests you, what you want to do is you want to come over to Fiverr and actually look at some of these listings, see how they're wording their listings and everything else, so that way you have a good idea of what to include when you create your job onto Fiverr. Now, the next one you can offer is background removal. Now, this one is a very popular job onto Fiverr because also is really simple to do. Now, with background removal, most people who have online stores, or maybe they have a website or something like that to that effect, they will actually find the job onto Fiverr, and what they need for you to do is just to simply remove the background off of their pictures. So again, they can be online store owners, they can also be people who are submitting their wedding photos. Whatever it is, what you can do is just remove the background. And one simple tool that you can use, that I also use in my business, is Remove BG. And once you're here on remove.bg, all you have to do is just upload the actual picture to the website. As you can see here, just click upload image, and from there it'll actually remove the background. And you also have the option to edit the picture, have a solid background if a person wants that, or has some other type of imagery behind it, or if they just want a transparent background, you can do all of that inside of remove.bg. And again, this particular site is free to use. You can also use the same type of tool inside of canva.com. Now, to get access to the background remover tool, you will need to upgrade and get Canva Pro. Now, Canva Pro is $13 per month. Now, one of the benefits of having Canva Pro is that you'll get access again to the background remover, but then also you can use all of their templates in order to create printables. Now, with printables, you can sell these things onto Etsy and earn an extra income. And you can create planners, you can create ebooks and everything else with Canva. Now, the next one is ebook editing and conversion. So if you do ebook conversion over here onto Fiverr, you can see different jobs that come up. Again, some people are starting at $5, $15. This one is starting at $60, $30 here. And most of these people will not only convert the book from maybe like PDF format into another format, so that way they can upload it to Kindle or whatever they're trying to do. They also are offering design book covers. They can update the format and everything else. And again, if you have access to Canva, you can also include this into your jobs onto Fiverr, where you can also design a book cover and everything else as well. So again, just come down here, look at some of the listings, see what other additional services people are adding in addition to the editing and conversion of the ebook, so that way you can add that as well to your listing, so that way you can actually stand out amongst everybody else. Now the next one is to become a beta reader. Now in one of my recent videos I did on my channel, I talked exactly about this, how you can get paid to read books. So if you come over here to Fiverr, you see that there are tons of jobs where people are offering to beta read books. So this doesn't require any type of experience. And yes, some of the people over here, they do have some literary backgrounds and things like that, but a lot of these people who are actually posting jobs to become beta readers are just active readers. They read maybe 50 to 100 books per year, and they might read certain books in a certain genre or whatever else, and they just include that in their listing on Fiverr in order to get paid for it. Some of these people are charging, $40 and up, $20 here, $25 here. This is a Fiverr's Choice person, so they're starting at $40. And then also you have people who are charging hundreds of dollars or whatever else, but they typically have some type of literary background or something like that, and they are pro-verified as well inside of Fiverr. But you don't even need to be really pro-verified in order to earn a lot of money with being a beta reader. What you want to do is that you just want to get more jobs, so that way you get more experience, and then that way you can start charging more to be a beta reader. Now, just because some people have literary backgrounds while posting these jobs, that doesn't mean that you cannot post a job, okay? Again, you just want to be an active reader, and then also when authors are searching for beta readers, they're just looking for people to read their books and to give them an opinion. So sometimes they don't want a professional opinion. They just want an opinion from a person who just loves to read books, and they can give them feedback on the book. Now, the next one that I want to cover is video intros and outros. Now, these are very popular, especially with YouTubers, especially for vlogging channels. A lot of YouTubers are looking for short, maybe 3 to 15 second video outros and intros that they can use on their channel as part of their branding. And as you can see here on Fiverr, we have some people are charging $45, $15, $30. This person is charging $100. This person is charging $70, and so on. So again, this is a really, really popular job onto Fiverr. And what you can use to create these outros is, again, come over here to trusty old Canva, right? So you come over here to Canva, and what you want to do is you want to put YouTube in the search bar, and you want to scroll down a bit and hit YouTube intro. And now, as you can see here, they have all these video intros that you can use. Also, outro videos. As you can see here, this is a really good end screen right here. So this way people know to subscribe to the channel. And then also they have boxes where the YouTube creator can include videos that they want the viewer to see next. So again, you can leverage Canva in order to use these. And if you have Canva Pro, you can use some of these right here, these Pro templates right here, in order to give more variety. Now the next one is data entry. So if you ever had any type of experience with data entry, or you're just really good at researching and putting things into an Excel spreadsheet or something like that, then this will work perfect for you. Now, as you can see here on Fiverr, a lot of these jobs are starting at, again, $10, some of them going up to $60 or even more than that. And as you can see here with some of these jobs, there's data entry, there's copy and pasting. So maybe a person has information on one document that need to be transferred to another. You can get paid for that. You can also do, again, just do some internet researching, and you're actually putting that into a spreadsheet that's all documented out, that looks good on the spreadsheet, that's already categorized and everything else. You can earn money, again, on Fiverr by doing this. And a tool that you can use is Google Spreadsheets. It's similar to an Excel spreadsheet, and this is where you can transfer that data, or again, if you're doing research, you can collect all the data here using Google Sheets, and again, it's a free tool. And as I said, again, come through here, start seeing, open up some of these listings, see what people are posting, especially the ones who have a lot of jobs, and see how they're creating their listing, and see what additional skills that you can offer on your listing, again, to get more sales and to get more feedback. Now, technically, this one isn't a gig, but it's a way you can earn with Fiverr. You can become an affiliate of Fiverr simply by referring different jobs to other people. So how you can do this is you can join like Facebook groups for entrepreneurs, for business owners, for e-commerce store owners and things like that, and you can share some of these services inside of those groups. Now, when you get inside of these groups, you don't just want to spam your Fiverr link or anything like that. You want to provide value or something like that. So for an example, if we come back over here to background removal, a lot of e-commerce store owners need backgrounds removed for their product images on their store. So when you're inside of maybe like an e-commerce group, inside of an e-commerce or a Shopify group on Facebook or something like that, what you want to do is that you want to share this. So if somebody asks in the group, hi, I'm trying to figure out how I can get the backgrounds removed on my images, you can, provide your link to help that person come back over here to Fiverr and to get one of these background removal jobs in order to post these products inside of their store. Now, as you can see on the screen, you can earn 10% by being a Fiverr affiliate. And then also on here as well, there's a number of ways that you can also earn by recommending Fiverr. Now, how many times have you gone onto social media like Instagram or something like that, and you see all of these motivational quotes with a cool guy leaning on his car and things like that? Well, did you know that you can actually create those and make money from them? Well, if you come over here to Fiverr and you put in the search bar motivational quotes, you can see here that people will actually design inspirational and motivational quotes for Instagram, and this person is starting at $20. Now think about it, this person has over 400 reviews. So think about how much money this person has earned simply by creating these images with motivational quotes. And again, if you scroll down, you see that this is that more people are actually offering these. And look at the number of reviews that they are getting. This person has over 100 reviews. This person has over 200 reviews. This person has almost 1,000. So this is a really popular gig. And again, this is something where it doesn't require much skill. All you have to do is use sites like canva.com, have a cool little background in the back, and then what you want to do is just add text. So that way you can just put a motivational quote on it and you can start earning on Fiverr. And this last one is kind of interesting, but there are actually people who are doing this on Fiverr and making money. And again, this requires no skill. All it requires is that you're a good listener and that you're good to people. And that is to be somebody's friend. So if you come over here to Fiverr and you put in the search bar, be your friend, you can see people on here who are offering their services to be your friend. And they're starting at $5 on here. Some people can be your life coach and a mentor friend and things like that as well. I can be your Latin friend and coach in Spanish, whatever it is. Also, I'll be your dearest friend. There are people who are posting these on here and they are actually getting jobs to be people's friend on Fiverr. So again, if you're a good listener, a good shoulder to cry on, or you just have a sincere heart or something like that, you can post this type of listing on the Fiverr to make money. So in this video, I shared with you 10 gigs that you can do on Fiverr that require no skills or no prior experience. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about number 10. Is that kind of wacky to you? Let me know in the comment section below. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.